Hey there, champions. So today in math, we are going to learn how to make 10 to add. That is another strategy that we are going to use to be able to add quicker in the future. And we have learned how to do that with our doubles facts and our near doubles. So here we are with making 10 to add. On your screen, you can see that we have one group of 10, right? We have a 10 frame and it is all filled up. So I know that that represents one group of 10. Now I'm going to add 3 ones. Okay, so now I have 10 plus 3 because I have one group of 10 and 3 ones. And a lot of you can go ahead and add that quickly, right? We know that that's 13. All right, so 10 plus 3 equals 13. Now I'm going to take 2 of my circles out of my 10 frame and put them with my ones. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I still have 13, so I know my answer is still going to be 13, but my number sentence is going to be different. All right. I had one group of 10, and now I have 8, right? I had 10, and I moved 2 out, so now I have 8 represented in my 10 frame. I had 3 ones, but now I have 5 ones. So now my number sentence says 8 plus 5 equals, and it still equals 13, right? These are 2 different number sentences, but they have the same value. So 10 plus 3 equals 13, and we saw that before. Then we changed it up, and our new number sentence is 8 plus 5 equals 13. Okay, our next slide also shows one group of 10. I have a 10 frame, and I have all of my frames filled in. Now I have 4 ones. So I have one group of 10 and 4 ones. Some of you already know that 10 plus 4 equals 14, right? But we can go back and double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 10 plus 4 equals 14. Now I'm going to take one of my circles out of my frame and put it with my ones place. So I did have 10, right? Now I took one away, so I have 9. And I added the one that I took out of my 10 frame to my ones place to make 5, right? So I had 10 plus 4 equals 14. And now I have 9 plus 5. Let's double check and make sure we have the same value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I still have 14. It just looks different, right? So 9 plus 5 equals 14. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Here I have my 10 frame and I have the number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I have the number 8 represented in my 10 frame. 8 plus 5. Okay, I have 8 and I need to add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I want to figure out this equation quickly, I'm trying to think of a way I can do that. 8 plus 5 equals, well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. No, I took 2 from my ones and I put them into my 10 frame to make 10 So now I have one group of 10 and 3 ones. Ten plus 3 is 13. So I can say 8 plus 5 equals, well, something that I do know is if I take 2 away from 5 and put them in my 10 frame, it gives me one group of 10, and I have 3 ones, which means I have 13, right? 8 plus 5 equals 13. I have 8 blue dots. I have 5 orange dots, and together that makes 13. But if I wanted to do it quicker, I could go ahead and say, well, I know that if I add 2 more to my 8 that I take from my 5, that makes 10, and then I'll have 3 more left over. So 10 plus 3 equals 13, right? I have the same answer. I have the same value. I just did it a little bit differently. Okay, let's look at our number 7. I need to represent the number 7 in my 10 frame. So I have 7 of my frames filled in, and I'm going to add 6. Let's see. So here's what that looks like. I have 7 in my 10 frame and I have 6 ones. If I wanted to add it quickly, I want to make my 7 the number 10. So let's go ahead and fill in our 10 frame with our ones, right? So I put 3 of my ones into the 10 frame to make one group of 10. So now instead of 7 plus 6, I have 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3 equals 13. That's something I can do very quickly in my head. So when I'm trying to figure out what 7 plus 6 is, I can automatically take 3 ones away from my 6, put them with my 7 to make 10, and then I know I have 3 ones left over to make 13. All right, guys, I want you to use this strategy today when you are doing your seesaw assignments, and have fun.